So today we'll take a look at how you can zoom on your MacBook screen without having to go into each application settings and do different zooms. That can be complicated, but all we do is go on our system settings, and this is pretty simple. We just scroll down the side here and we find our accessibility panel. And once we're in our accessibility, we want to click zoom. We have a few different options in here. Personally, I prefer the keyboard shortcuts to zoom, and there's several different options. You can press the Option, Command and 8 to do what they call toggle zoom, and basically what that means is it's going to follow where your mouse goes around the screen, like so. You can turn that off just by Option, Command and 8 again, or you can do Option, Command equals, and that's just going to zoom in like that, and it's the same for going backwards. Option, Command minus to go backwards. You can only go as far back as your default thing like this. So that's how you zoom in and zoom out, or toggle on a zoom on your Mac. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.